Need to solve TikTok unable to authorize, try again, then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, head over to the settings of a device. Inside the settings, you need to head over to General. Move into iPhone storage. Search for the application TikTok and move into it. Click on Offload App. Once again, tap on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. Once uploaded, now the next thing you want to do is head over to App Store on your device. In the address bar, search for TikTok. Move into this app right here. If you see the option of update, simply click on update and update the app. Once updated, the problem you have been facing might get fixed. Or else go back to settings once again. And then move into General. Scroll down and head over to date and time. You need to make sure that the date and time is set it to automatically. And then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.